Hello, my name is Greg English. I'm the author of the Scampius application. This video will cover basic color calibration using a FADGI chart that you see there on the live view. This assumes you've already run light correction, and we will not be doing any ICC profiling in this video. That will be covered in another video. Now, to go into calibration, you open up the Cameras expander, and that's found along the right side there. And then calibration is along the top. So you click to open that. It pushes the camera settings down. Now we need to do two things before we attempt calibration. One thing is to help out the scanner is we don't want to be scanning with this background area here. We just want the chart. So I have an isolate button here that will take and change the live view to just show the chart. And you see it toggles to full view, which you can toggle it back and forth between the two. The next thing we want to do is turn off all image filters that may be on. Calibration should only use unenhanced images. We'll turn those back on when we exit calibration. So we're all set for calibration. Now a quick check to see if you need calibration is to run this check scan here. It scans the image and then analyzes the two patches to see if they are within the target value there. So you have white is 247, black is 21. I purposely set up this config so one of the patches is out of calibration and the other one is. So the white should be 247 and it's way too high. The black is within calibration, if the calibration being within 3 of the target value. That blue is pretty high, but it's still within 3 of the target value. So we're ready to calibrate. So calibrate will just change 7 settings on the scanner. First, exposure. I'm going to scroll down here and let you track the settings that are changed as it's running. That little log window shows you exactly what it's changing, but you can watch the change here in the camera settings. So first exposure, then the 3 components of RGB gain, red, green, and blue. So now we're running the green component. And when it's through with the gain settings, it will move down to the offset settings, which affect the black patch. To cut out some time, I'm going to do a jump cut to the end of calibration. So calibration was successful. Get a little window there. It took about 1 minute and 20 scans. A successful calibration always does a scan at the end. You'll see there. So to verify our calibration, we do a check scan. And we see we have a pass. So remember our target is 247 on white and 21 for black, so that passes. When you exit calibration, it prompts to see if you want to save it to a default configuration. Yes, you do, because that saves your camera settings that are calibrated. I already have a default out here, so I want to override it. Then the last thing I want to do is turn the image filters on that I had turned off within calibration. And that's it.